This is 7 National News, and in your top story, with New Year's Eve celebrations fast approaching, Dubai police are gearing up for the thousands of expected visitors, specifically in the downtown Dubai area. The Burj Khalifa as well as Dubai Mall are among the popular attractions for residents and those visiting the Emirates, according to Major General Mohammed Eid Al-Mansouri from the General Department of Protective Security and Emergency at Dubai Police. The department expects at least 1 million people to visit the tower this year to witness the extravagant display of fireworks. And Al-Mansouri stated in a report in a local daily that every year they're faced with traffic jams, which congest surrounding areas and also extends throughout the city, resulting in a complete slowdown on New Year's Eve. Officials from Dubai Police, Dubai Ambulance Services and Civil Defence, together with the Roads and Transport Authority, will be monitoring the area on Monday night. And according to Al-Mansouri, the Executive Committee for New Year's Security has finalized its preparations for New Year's Eve and was working on an effective strategy that will involve all departments. And as we've just heard, local security authorities are well prepared for any challenges which may arise on New Year's Eve. In accordance with this, the RTA will allow all commuters to pass through downtown Dubai Knoll gates without punching in their Knoll cards after midnight. The areas include Business Bay, Dubai Mall, Financial Centre, as well as Emirates Tower stations, as stated in a local daily. Passengers going home after the celebrations will have unhindered access to the Dubai Metro, as the 4 Knoll gates will be left open after 12 p.m. RTA officials warn that trips won't be free. However, fares will be deducted when commuters get off the metro at their final destinations. Trains will run every 2 minutes 30 seconds from midnight to 8 a.m. on the morning of January 1st, and both the red and green lines will remain open for 24 hours. A steady increase in UAE residents offering to volunteer their help and effort over the past decade has enabled the government and private entities to save millions of dirhams worth of services. There has been an increase in volunteer movement across the UAE since 2002, according to Dr. Adil Al-Shameri, the CEO of the Abu Dhabi-based Zayed Giving Initiative. Al-Shameri added that while the spirit of volunteerism is intrinsic in the UAE culture, volunteering has now become more organized and instituted, which allows more volunteers to step up and be able to give back to the community. The ZGI currently has over 100,000 volunteers doing local and international volunteer work and has saved millions of dirhams. In Dubai, the Community Development Authority has noted that the number of its registered volunteers has almost doubled since 2009. They now stand at 900, of which 650 are regular volunteers. The number increases quarterly, according to CDA officials. Like other countries worldwide, the UAE is facing changing climate patterns, which have opened the gateway for opportunistic infections like seasonal flu, according to health experts from the Saudi German hospital. Those who are most vulnerable includes people with lowered immunity, such as children aged younger than 5 years old, the elderly, pregnant women, and adults with pre-existing health conditions. Health experts warned that if untreated, flu could mutate into secondary infections, ranging from stomach infections and sinus infections to more severe consequences like lung complications such as acute bronchitis, pneumonia and heart failure, all of which could tragically result in death. CEO of SGH, Dr. Reem Osman, stated that the biggest challenge is that people view flu as something that is only mildly annoying but ultimately harmless. Dr. Osman added that the most important thing is to visit a doctor if one experiences flu with any unusual symptoms. Up to 16 healthcare facilities were issued final notices earlier this month after they failed to register and obtain a license to operate from the Dubai Corporation for Ambulance Services. Head of Regulation at the corporation, Dr. Fahad Al-Zaruni, stated that 90% of healthcare facilities using ambulances have registered with the authority since its deadline on the 31st of August, according to a report in a local daily. Al-Zaruni said that those who have not yet registered with the authority Authority have either ignored the warnings or did not meet the criteria. 7 training centers out of 41 did not register, along with 5 cars that were not properly equipped with the necessary medical equipment. Dr. Al-Zaruni pointed out that healthcare professionals and facilities will be slapped with a fine of 1,000 dirhams if they fail to adhere to DCAS principles. And up next, we have the day's business news for you, so stay with us.